Evergreen courses are the ultimate autopilot for online educators, programs that never close their doors and never sleep. Imagine waking up each morning to new enrollments while you focus on refining your content or serving your community. That's the power of a truly evergreen course. It's not about recording a few videos and hoping for the best. It's about engineering a learning experience, a marketing engine, and engagement strategies that stand the test of time. The first step is crafting content grounded in enduring frameworks. Rather than chasing the latest trend, you anchor your curriculum in timeless principles, like goal setting, skill mastery, and real-world application. This ensures your material remains relevant even as tools and platforms evolve. Anchored content gives learners confidence they're investing in something that will retain value for months or years. However, substance alone won't carry your course forward. You must validate demand through market research, ideally by sharing your expertise in a book first. When you write a book, you conduct exhaustive research on existing offerings, uncover gaps in the market, and refine your unique teaching voice. Then, repurpose that manuscript into modules. Each chapter becomes a lesson, each case study transforms into an interactive quiz. By the time you finish writing, you already have a detailed course blueprint. Next comes instructional design that balances multiple media. Videos deliver core concepts, but audio clips allow learners to absorb lessons on the go. Text summaries reinforce key takeaways, and quizzes keep motivation high by giving instant feedback. You also weave in community forums or private groups, turning solitary learning into a shared journey. This blend of media and connection combats the stale course syndrome and boosts completion rates dramatically. Of course, no course thrives without regular content audits. Schedule quarterly reviews to update statistics, tools, and best practices. In one module, a screenshot of an outdated dashboard can be swapped for a fresh interface in under an hour. These updates signal to students that your course lives and breathes, rather than gathering digital dust. With content locked in, it's time to architect your marketing funnel. Evergreen funnels differ from cohort launches. They run continuously, powered by automated sequences. Free opt-in lead magnets, like checklists or mini-courses, trigger an email series that educates, nurtures trust, and then presents your full program. You layer in high-value webinars or workshops on autopilot, each ending with a clear prompt to enroll. As a result, you avoid the feast or famine cycle of quarterly launches and enjoy a smooth, predictable revenue stream. Free promotional tactics are your foundation. SEO-optimized blog posts targeting long-tail phrases such as how to build an evergreen course attract organic searchers. Guest articles and podcast interviews extend your reach, while social media communities keep the conversation alive. Each touchpoint subtly guides prospects into your drip campaigns, where automated emails deepen engagement and address common objections. When you're ready to scale, paid channels accelerate growth. Facebook and Instagram ads reach lookalike audiences who already engaged with your lead magnets. LinkedIn sponsored content targets professionals seeking skill development, and Google search ads intercept high-intent queries like best evergreen course platforms. The trick is balancing speed, effort, and time. Start small, test creative variations, then scale winners while rotating ads to avoid fatigue. Measuring performance is non-negotiable. Track opt-in rates, cost per lead, enrollment percentages, and completion metrics. If quiz engagement dips in Module 3, you tweak the content or add an interactive exercise. If email open rates falter, you experiment with subject lines. These iterative refinements ensure your course and funnel evolve together, maximizing both student success and your bottom-line growth. By blending free and paid strategies, you create a multi-channel engine that works around the clock. You're no longer tied to live launches or burnout-inducing promotions. Instead, you refine your course, nurture your community, and watch as enrollments trickle or surge throughout the year. Finally, it all comes back to impact. Every learner who completes your evergreen course emerges more skilled, more confident, and more loyal to your brand. Their success stories become your most persuasive marketing assets, case studies and testimonials that reinforce the value of your program. As word spreads, your course's evergreen nature only gains strength, feeding a virtuous cycle of enrollment, completion, and social proof. If you're ready to build an evergreen course that truly sells itself, click the links in the description. You'll gain instant access to our free workshop on creating a high-quality expert book with the Authority Book Factory system, designed to validate your market, structure your content, and turbocharge your course creation. And be sure to grab the Authority Book Factory on Amazon KDP at a special discounted rate, so you can follow the blueprint for writing your authority building book in under 3 days.